Welcome back to this video. If you use Google account or Gmail or any Google product services, consider to watch this video from beginning to end and see how to enable advanced protection for maximum security for all your Google accounts and products and services. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Chrome browser. So I'm going to simply open up my Chrome browser from here. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to make sure you come to search or type URL right here. So what you need to do is to simply type in, so make sure you type in advanced protection program. Then hit on search. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on the first result right here, advanced protection program. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Google's strongest security app keep your private information safe. Simply scroll down right here. Scroll down right here. Scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down, and then what you need to do is to click on get started right here. Click on get started. That's going to take you right here. Right here, you will need to access your Google account with your security pattern. So enter your security pattern to start your Google security program protection. Then you'll be taken right here. What you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and make sure you click on enroll in advanced protection. So click on that. That's going to take you right here. You have successfully enrolled in advanced protection. So you can simply scroll down right here and just like what you see right here. So next thing you can do right here is to simply click on done. It's as simple as that. So with this, your Google account, all products and services that is associated with your Google account is going to be secure, and more advanced security protection is going to be attached to your Google account. This is very much important, and if you have Google account, make sure you enroll for this in order to secure your Google account from hacker. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to protect and improve your Google account security, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.